For those who want to become a DPO, I think it's a good opportunity because, like I said, it's a blue ocean. So it's going to be a new job title that people will want to try to work on this one.
Welcome to the Data Protection Excellence Network. I'm here with Dr. Natharika. She's the Dean of the Law Faculty of the University of Thai Chamber of Commerce. Welcome, Dr.
Hi.
Natharika. Before we start, maybe it would be good to share with our audience what is the university about and tell us more about your university.
First off, University of the Thai Chamber of Commerce, we go by UTCC. We are the private university under the Thai Chamber of Commerce. So as a school of law, we focus on the business law, and recently, we've been have more focus on the PDPA, because of our background in research and short course and the consulting things that we have done, both in the government entities and then the private. So with all those knowledge and experience, we want to share to the other agencies in Thailand.
I know that the Thai PDPA went into effect only recently, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell us about the state of the PDPA currently in Thailand? People all aware and what exactly are they doing?
I like to say that Thailand is still a baby step. We just launched a new baby last year. So compared to other countries, we still have a lot of room to grow. About the awareness, especially the company, they see the importance of the data protections. But anyways, on the other side, Thailand driving by the SME, small and medium business, that will be our concern. But talk about the readiness from the big company. From my experience, I have interviewed and consult the company. They're ready for PDPA.
So, according to the Thai PDPA, similar to the GDPR, I think your law requires the appointment of a data protection officer. Can you tell me more? Is that the same in Thailand? And I would imagine that there will be a shortage of trained or certified DPOs.
Yeah. So DPO, to me, I call it like a blue ocean. According to the law, we take it from GDPR, but from the DPO, so far we don't have any rule or qualification for DPO. So for those who want to become a DPO, I think it's a good opportunity because, like I said, it's a blue ocean. So it's going to be a new job title that people will want to try to work on this one. And in Thailand, DPO is just someone who appointed from one department who may not have the knowledge. So with all this, I think it's be a good opportunity for Thai people or Thai agencies to have a DPO.
So for this part of the world, we have the digital transformation that is already happening, and it's very heartwarming to see that in Singapore we have someone who just want to learn how to be a DPO, but it's even more encouraging to see the DPO get promoted. They move from data protection and then to data governance, right? So I think just last year Indonesia announced that they are going to need 100,000 DPOs in Indonesia because like Thailand, they also introduced the data protection law only recently. So is there any reports in Thailand with regards to the demand for DPOs? Because it's by law, or at least certain aspects of the law requires you to appoint a DPO.
But so far, I haven't heard or seen any number yet. But personally, I thought it's still going to be a high demand because, like I previously said, that DPO currently, the company or the agency only appointed from internal staff. And mainly from the perception, it must be legal person or IT, but it actually is a misunderstanding.
Exactly.
Because sometimes PDPA can regarding to HR relating to IT, not even like a pure law.
So I think as far as the law is concerned, we need a lot of operational knowledge, right? Because we're looking at how to govern your business processes that has got personal data. So maybe you could share with us what kind of consulting does UTCC does, maybe your team, and what are the expectations of the enterprise?
So we, in the past couple of years, since before the law even announced, we actually help business try to comply with PDPA. So we take from the step one, talk to them, interview them, and see how they use the data, and then we do the data mapping. and then they help them gap analysis and fill the gap. Pretty much the whole process of the PDPA. And then we have the customer from a real estate company, from hospital, government agency, and with those we're able to help business comply with the PDPA from the legal perspective and from the operations.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's an important value add.
For more data protection resources, visit www.dpaxnetwork.org, the Data Protection Excellence Network, and sign up for free as a member to have full access to all content. Do also like and follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn if you found this useful.